My name is Greg Cooper. I'm the founder of Total Roofing and Construction. It'll be 40 years in business this year, and I'm the old guy. You know what I mean? But I'm fortunate to get second generation in the business now. My sons have been with since they've been 16. And they're in their mid-30s now. They're learning. They learn the hard way, and they have a work ethic to continue on and probably bring more generations in it.
So this location in Schererville, Indiana, we kept an eye on it for a couple years. We worked out a deal where we were able to get the building, at a good price.
Due to kind of the infrastructure updates and the age of the building, it just collectively met with the owners, and we kind of did a phased plan with it.
From buying the building to design phase to moving in was almost about a 3-year project. One of the biggest important parts about this building is we built everything as far as for customers that can come in. We have all the walls set up where you might be picking out a shingle to deciding on what kind of siding you like on your home.
Every room here is kind of specific to solving a customer's need in some ways. A more tailored showroom where we can kind of showcase the variety of products that are in the market.
Layout-wise, we have a couple more displays for products. We have an extra meeting room for homeowners and customers to come in and kind of go over projects. We have a whole marketing area as far as doing a podcast.
So there's just a lot more space specific to the needs depending on that customer. I'm just excited to see what this can be for Northwest Indiana.
We look back, me being here 19 years, my father started 40 years ago. We have a huge family as far as a customer service base that we've built on.
And we treat everybody like family, to be honest with you. We're not corporate America, and hopefully it'll never change.
The biggest thing I valued as far as learning from my dad, at the end of the day, you want your employees happy and you want to service your customers.